When I was a young teen, my dad loved eggnog. Perhaps that's where I got my love for it as well. I had a junior cookbook designed for kids, and one of the recipes was for eggnog. It was a simple recipe that didn't require any cooking, just milk, vanilla, sugar, and of course, an egg. Nowadays, we don't recommend eating raw eggs, but we didn't know any better in those days. Dad would request a nog, and I would happily whip one up, making a single glass at a time. As I've been recreating my favorite recipes, the ones with eggs have been the most challenging. You must understand how the egg is used in order to find a good substitute. Is it a binder? Is it a flavor? Will you actually see the egg, like when you make fried rice? You can understand my excitement when I perfected my eggnog recipe. I call it not nog because it contains neither egg nor milk.
What I do use is Cheri's Hazel Cream and vanilla pudding.
Using a blender, it whips up in no time and is a creamy and delicious beverage. For best results, you should refrigerate it for 2 hours. That's what thickens it up. I like it with a little rum extract, but you may use the real stuff if you like. Once it sits for a day or so, it'll begin to separate. Just give it a quick shake and it will return to its former goodness. If you've been wanting a nog but can't tolerate the milk or egg, please try this version. I'm sure you will love it.